Best thickness for granite, quartz and marble kitchen counters. Dear friends, when designing a kitchen, the thickness of the kitchen counter is an important detail that is often overlooked. The right thickness not only improves durability but also enhances the overall look of your kitchen. For most kitchens, the ideal kitchen counter thickness is 20 to 25 millimeters. This thickness is commonly used for materials like granite, quartz, and marble. It offers a perfect balance between strength, cost, and appearance. A 20 millimeters thick countertop is suitable for modular kitchens. It looks sleek, modern, and works well when supported by a strong base cabinet. It is also easier to install and slightly more budget-friendly. On the other hand, a 25 millimeters thick countertop provides extra strength and a premium feel. It is ideal for heavy usage kitchens where appliances like mixers, grinders, or gas stoves are used daily. In some luxury kitchens, people prefer a 40 millimeters thick edge look, achieved by adding a laminated or double-edge finish. This gives a bold appearance without increasing the actual slab thickness. In conclusion, choose the thickness based on your kitchen usage, material, and design style. A well-chosen countertop thickness ensures long-lasting performance and a stylish kitchen. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.